All right, y'all. So we actually did get the table put back together. My neighbors got the table put back together. So things are better. I think we're just gonna settle on keeping the table there. We did get these cortinas, curtains put, and shades put throughout the house. So I'll leave that information down below on the company that we had the shades. But I didn't want shades down here. I wanted curtains, so I paid extra to have these curtains made. And I wanted a double layer so that we could open the curtains and have some privacy, but still have some sun coming in whenever we wanted to. So I like the look of that. I decided the rug, I'm gonna get a different rug. And that white rug I'm gonna put upstairs in my room because the rug is white, and after having friends over, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna put that white rug there. But anyway, all is well. The table is fixed. They went and put some new bolts in the table. But I tell you what, never again. Never again. Anywho, happy Saturday.